That is the bust point, waist point, full length of the garment, and the hip length. Right? Visually divide half the shoulder into half again and place the tape straight, starting from the shoulder point. Let the tape fall straight, going through the highest point on the bust. That would be the bust point. Make a note of the measurement. In this case, it's 10 inches. Next, we'll be taking the waist point. That is the smallest part of your waist. Now shift your left hand, hold the tape there at the waist, and sit down and take the full length of the garment as per the requirement. It could be knee length or floor length. So we have taken bust point, waist point, full length. Now we'll be taking the hip length from the back of the person. Stand behind the person. Again, place the tape straight from the shoulder. Just hold the tape straight. The highest point of the hip will touch the tape. Please make a note of the hip length. Now we'll be taking the round measurements. That is chest round, bust round, waist round. And now we'll be taking the chest round measurement. Put your arms behind the person. Ask the person to raise the arms. Bring the tape just under the armhole and bring the tape to the front and take the measurement. It's 34 inches. Now do not add all your fingers, just hold with 2 fingers, and also make sure the tape is parallel to the floor. Next will be the bust round measurement. Slide the tape down. Let the tape pass through the highest part of the bust and take the measurement in the center. And again, make sure the tape is parallel to the floor. Next would be the waist measurement. Again, slide the tape down. Let it sit on the smallest part of your waist. Take the measurement. Now all the measurements, do not pull the tape and make it tight. Just keep it relaxed and to the body measurement.